Complying to a Supreme Court order, the UP government recently removed around 11,000 speakers from religious institutions. Did you know that you may be fined up to rupees 1 lakh if you violate the norms under the noise pollution regulation and control rules? Loud construction activities, loudspeakers at functions, and any other activities which causes noise pollution which exceeds the decibel limits mentioned under the earlier mentioned rules attract a penalty. For instance, violation of norms over the use of loudspeakers can result in confiscation and a fine of rupees 10,000, whereas violating the noise pollution norms over the use of diesel generators can result in a fine of rupees 10,000 to 1 lakh depending on the type of generator.